So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix camera icon missing on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if I open the app drawer, then as you can see, the camera icon is not present here. So in case you are also facing this issue, then this can be fixed from the settings app. Let me show you how. So for this, open the app drawer on your phone. Now from here, open the settings app. Here scroll down and tap on home screen. In this menu, scroll down and from here tap on hide apps on home and app screen. Now as you can see here, camera is hidden. Tap on this icon to unhide it. Now tap on done. After this, go back to home screen. Now, if I open the app drawer, then as you can see, camera app is now available here. You can now add it to the home screen. For this, long press it and then tap on add to home. Now adjust the position of the app icon like this and the work is now done. So this is how you can fix camera icon missing on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.